Hi, I'm Gunilla. I'm the founder of Gunilla Skin Alchemy, and I'm so excited today to share with you the Gua Sha Facial. It's something that I've recently learned about, and I just love it for home care in order to improve your skin. And it's basically known as the Eastern facial lift, and I consider it a must in your home care routine now. And the tool that you use is a jade stone Gua Sha tool. You can buy it at Amazon. You could also use rose quartz. There's different shapes, and whatever works for you is good. And then you also want to use some kind of oil. In this case, I'm using my Rejuvenate facial oil. It's the more rich oil from my skincare facial oils, and it's a great base for using when you're going to do the facial massage. You can use any oil, olive oil, whatever works for you at home. But you're going to start with this. Well, I prefer usually to start with putting the oil, a few drops on your hands, and that way you're going to just spread it on your face just to kind of get a little bit of circulation going, because the whole point of this Gua Sha facial is to open up the lymphatic drainage in your face and stagnation. It all builds up and you get that kind of blah look. So as you improve the circulation with this tool, you're going to feel much more radiant and refreshed. So I think it's really important. I always start with gently just opening up the lymphatic passageways by going downwards. Usually you always want to go in an upward motion, but I like to just start out doing this, just to kind of get moving with the lymphatic. And you always want to go behind the ear. This is where the lymphatic drainage occurs. Go downwards. And each movement you want to repeat about 3 to 5 times at the bottom here. And then we're going to move up on the face. And we always want to do an upward motion. Now with the tool you can choose different angles, whatever works for your face. We're all different. I like in the beginning to start here on the chin, to use this part of the stone, the jade stone, and I'm going to just go along the jaw at an angle. And actually each of these passes on your face you want to do 7 to 10 times. And see, you're going to press with a little bit, you're going to gently press, not too much pressure, but enough that you're feeling it. And then we're going to go upward motion all the way up to the ear, and you have three parts on the face. So you want to do the chin, you want to go right here on the cheek, and then the upper cheek, and then we move on to the forehead and the eye area. So we've done 7 to 10 passes here. Then we're going to do, and I actually like to move it over for the middle chin. There we go. It kind of feels better for me. You do 7 to 10 passes here, and then the upper part of the cheek. So we're doing this to stimulate oxygen flow to the skin tissues, to drain stagnation. This is going to plump up and hydrate your skin. And then we're going to do the forehead. You're going to go in a downward motion. You could even go here, just to again drain downwards and out. And for the eye area, I like to use this, or you could also, this feels really good. And I'm telling you, I recently just went to Spain and I brought my tool and my oil, and after a long day of traveling and feeling so exhausted, I did this before I went out, and I felt completely rejuvenated. I felt amazing. And then you go around the eye. Again, you want to be sure you're very gentle around the eye area. So you're going to repeat all of this on the other side of the face. If you want to do this at least once a week, you're going to feel amazing. Pick a day, Sunday, if that's the day you get to relax, but just take a moment to connect and give yourself and your skin a little treat. And you're going to just feel amazing, I promise you. I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out, and I look forward to seeing you soon again.